There is a very satisfying clicking sound. Okay, hold on, let me show you right now. That really should be the fourth pillar of this video. Performance, design, portability, and an ASMR-friendly keyboard. Sorry, let's do the video. For years, the dream of that do-everything workstation has always come with a giant asterisk. Either you get the raw horsepower to do the project you need, or you get the battery life to take it with you wherever you go. You never really get both. I've spent a long time breaking, testing, and talking about consumer hardware. And if I'm being completely honest, I've always had a soft spot for the Dell XPS lineup. This year, the XPS is back in a big way with this, the 2026 Dell XPS laptop powered by Intel's latest Core Ultra processor. Now, I've been testing this 14-inch model for a few weeks now, and I honestly couldn't be happier with the design, with the performance, and especially the portability. Let's dive in and talk about why. Let's start with the hardware design, because that is where Dell is making the biggest statement this year. This chassis is a CNC machined aluminum, the same premium construction the XPS line has had for years. Here, 2026, the proportions feel more refined. This year's design is simultaneously thinner and lighter, and I gotta be honest, I can't give it a bend at all. God knows I've tried. Sorry, Dell. Opening it up, you will see the Zero Lattice keyboard. Physical function keys are back this year. That was a genuine ask from the community, so I'm so glad they listened. The trackpad spans most of the palm rest with subtle ridges at the edges so you can actually locate it by touch. That sounds like a small thing, but it really isn't, particularly in practice. And then there's the 2.8K 120Hz tandem OLED display, which means it has two OLED layers stacked on top of each other. That means significantly better brightness and longer screen lifespan. Dell is, in fact, the first major manufacturer to bring tandem OLED to the Windows laptop market, and it might actually be my favorite part of this machine. One more thing in the hardware is the ports. 3 USB-C, 2 on the left, 1 on the right here, all Thunderbolt 4. And also, of course, a 3.5mm audio jack. Hallelujah. So let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2026 Dell XPS laptop is powered by an Intel Core Ultra processor, specifically the new Panther Lake generation, which is a meaningful step forward. More cores, smarter power management, and a dedicated neural processing unit, or NPU, built right into the chip. Practical terms, I threw a lot at this machine. Big documents, long browser sessions, longer video calls while I had my editing tools running alongside. It handled it all. The machine ran quiet, it stayed cool, and it never asked me to slow down. But a big selling point for this laptop is not just the performance, but also portability, having that productivity on the go. Also, it's summer in New York, and this apartment is really hot, so let's just get out of here and finish the video elsewhere. So for the transition to the exterior, can we do like one of those like screen wipes, but like, you know, like make it classy? I trust you. I shouldn't do it, but I trust you. This is honestly where I've had the best experiences with the XPS laptop. Just taking all that performance, all that horsepower with me all around the city, wherever I go. Enjoy these views while getting actual work done. And that thanks in large part to 3 things I want to talk about: battery life, thermals, and that tandem OLED display. So we've talked about the screen already, but I do want to take a moment and highlight just how well the screen is working outdoors right now, because I can see everything super clear. 2, thermals. I do want to call that out because it is easy to take for granted, but Dell has done a lot of work here to ensure this laptop runs cool during typical tasks, stays incredibly quiet, and it handles heavy workload without turning into an oven. Seriously, I've just had it on my lap for most of the week without even noticing. Finally, we really should talk about the battery life here. According to Dell, the new XPS laptop provides an all-day battery life up to 31 hours. And look, I'll be honest, I have not tested 30 hours of laptop use in a row, but I will say I've been running it pretty much nonstop for the past 3 days, and I've only had to charge it once. That also means I don't have to go straight home right now. We're gonna finish the shoot, and I'm just gonna sit here and we're gonna ingest the footage, close a bunch of these browser tabs, and just enjoy the day, because that is honestly the best part of the 2026 Dell XPS laptop, just having that performance everywhere without having to worry about plugging in. And that's the 2026 Dell XPS laptop. The XPS, it's back. Premium laptop design, great performance, great portability, and just happy to see it back in the world. So I will see you out there, or rather probably just here. Take a look at this view.